Ah, crap.
Is that marked?
That's a one stroke. Your turn.
Okay.
You don't.
You know what you're doing with these. I don't.
27 seconds. All right.
I'm in the sand pit.
Mine's closer. You gotta swing again.
Swing in.
Yeah, because mine's closer. Ah. No, still closer.
2 strokes now.
Jeez.
Yay!
Woohoos!
You can do this on your own. Number's gonna stroke.
Woohoo! 2 strokes.
Okay. I don't know.
Stop it, it's still going. Oh, it's still going. Okay, so I got no food and beverages allowed. What hole is this? How do you know what number it is?
2.
Oh. Seconds. Alright.
You go first?
Yeah, I already did less strokes than you did.
I
I'm much
did.
more quicker that way.
Whoa!
Nuts.
Just missed.
I think you're allowed to, wait, hold on. There's a rule about the putter head away from the walls. 6 inches, or yeah, from the rail. It's about a putter head's length from the rail. Or so.
I can move it.
Yeah. You can move it, like just pick up and move it from the rail so you can hit it.
Dang. I was gonna keep getting 3, aren't I?
No, you're not gonna get 3 now.
No, we're getting 4 now.
Ah!
On the 4th one.
4 strokes.
Woohoo!
2 strokes.
Do you want me to stop this or keep it going?
You gotta stop stroking so hard.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I'm up again. That's right.
Just shove it in your pocket.
Shove it in my pocket.
Yeah.
No, I gotta use that. The volcano. Should I hit through the volcano?
Go for it. Sway.
Oh, look at me. Ah, crap. It's going to go in. That almost went in.
Nice. I was recording it.
No, we're not playing over here. We're playing over there. Okay, how many strokes is that? That's like 12, right? Is it? You know what's over a 6-stroke minimum or maximum?
Okay, come back. Come on. Dirty monkey's uncle.
Son of a seconds counter? What?
Yeah.
Ah, that was bad.
Never mind, we can't.
Oh, hey, you gave mine. It's only gave it the balls touch. Yay! That was like 6. There you go.
Now I know why I don't like golf.
Because you lose to a blind guy.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I got the papers in my pocket, don't I? So I had 2 on that one.
Yeah.
And then
You had 5 or 6, something like that.
we'll mark 5. We won't count that first one because it actually came back and you have to re-tee it. Oh wow, where is we playing over here? 4. We're gonna get to the volcano. Oh, okay, between the volcanoes and in. Between the volcanoes and in. Oh, you almost got through the volcano. Ah. Okay.
This time I'm closer.
Yeah. 3 shots that time.
I'll probably take you just as long. Yay! I got in 3 shots.
Okay, we're gonna stop recording this part here.
Okay.
So we can